Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest to promote your business like a pro. This is a new strategy, something I just discovered. Let me show you. Let's launch the Pinterest app. If we actually skip the regular way of people promoting businesses, as you can see over here, running ads, showing the products, asking interesting questions the audience to click, there is a new type of marketing that actually works. Just look at this over here. 6-bedroom plans that will drastically improve your health. Okay, so this is kind of a blog post. Let's click on it, right? You want to scroll down. If you want to read it, well, guess what, you have to click on it. You cannot read it over here. Then we simply got forward to a blog post. Essentially what you can see over here, guys, is that people are driving traffic to their websites or blog posts by simply uploading a small image with just the headline of the story. Well, guess what? You might not be having a blog post or website, right? But you might actually have a small post that looks like this with a questionnaire or with interesting fact that will drive your attention or the attention of the customers, and simply linked your product or service or your landing page underneath the post itself. Instead of you publishing, let's say for example you have a jewelry brand, right? You're selling like necklaces, bracelets, earrings, like whatever. Instead of you publishing the products like this and trying to compete with other people, just scrolling through the feed, products and products, like you see watches and watches. Instead of you competing with other regular marketers, right? You could simply crush the competition by simply doing something like this. How clean it is. You see something, you can create a similar post, you can put a jury at the background or something like this, and you can just type an interesting fact about the jury itself or some precious metals. For example, something about the gold, something about the silver, some fact that is unknown. Grab the curiosity, put up the link over here, let them swipe up, let them come to the landing page, let them browse all your different product lines, okay? Let them get interested from the story that you're telling, not from the product that you're selling. Understand? This is something completely new. These people didn't get it because they're simply having a blog post and they don't have a product to sell, probably. All they're looking for is a free traffic so they can essentially put up more ads, probably. We're speculating over here. But you can utilize this definitely proven strategy, because if you click here, you will see that they have a 96,000 followers on Pinterest. Remember, you should adequately compare something that could be comparable, right? You don't compare the following or the communities on TikTok versus Pinterest. You just look at Pinterest and look at the posts of Pinterest and look how they craft their content on Pinterest and look at how much engagement and followers they have on Pinterest. So they have almost 100K. So obviously they're doing something right. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.